Alright, so we're going to use Studio to provide instructions for an assignment. So I have started a page and I've titled it Using Studio to Provide Instructions for an Assignment. And then so now I'm using Studio to make a screencast. Alright, so now I'm going to take you to modules. Yep. Oh, wait a second. I'm going to save this. And I'm going now to my modules, and I'm going to go to an assignment. Alright, so this is a discussion assignment. Here's the question: how does this jive with how you learn to write? So I've taught some content, now I'm asking my students, does this, coincide with something you've done in the past? They're going to get 20 points for a thoughtful response and 10 points for responding to a colleague. Here are the written instructions. Answer the discussion question in sentence form, at least 2 full sentences. After you've posted your response, then read the responses from your peers and select one to reply to thoughtfully. So I'm using this video to show you how to make a video that explains the assignment to your students. So at this point now, I'm the teacher talking to my students. So, folks, here's the assignment. These are the instructions, right? And I can even go home and go to student view. And now go to modules. Click on the assignment. And say, okay, here's the prompt. Here are the instructions. When you are ready to do step 1, you're going to click right here for reply, and you're going to type your response, and you're going to post it. And so the phone rang and I paused it, and now I can't remember what I was saying. Anyway, so you make your reply here, and then you're going to go to read the responses of other students. You're going to pick one of these to respond to, like that. Okay? And then you would post it right there. Alright, so again, 20 points for your awesome, thoughtful response, as the instructions say here. And then you're going to get 10 points for your thoughtful response to someone else. Alright, so that is the assignment. Enjoy. Thank you. I'm looking forward to seeing what you have to say about it. So, to my fellow teachers, this concludes the example of using Studio to walk your students through your assignment. Let me know if you have questions.